How to link your Telos account on Ecoin. So for you to be able to withdraw on Ecoin, you basically need to have a Telos account. So there are two options right here. There are two options: Wombat wallet or CoolX wallet. So basically I'm going to be demonstrating both ways how they work, and then you'll be able to figure out which one that you can actually make use of for yourself, depending on your either your device type or if you want to use it on your Chrome browser. So I'm going to be demonstrating throughout this video and possibly be able to show you how to withdraw this 1000 that I have here. Why I'm saying possibly is because, as you can see right here, I've opted in for Ecoin for life, meaning that I cannot withdraw for 6 months, but basically this 6 month is actually ending around the 19th 20th of October this year. So I'll be able to give you a quick update on that as well later on in the next month of October. So right now we're in August, so in October I'll be able to show you guys how to withdraw from that. But if I can actually be allowed to withdraw this amount, I'll be able to do that close to the end of this video. But basically in this video our main focus is on how to link your Telos account so that you can receive this 75 Ecoin for free and be able to withdraw your coins for those who have not opted in for Ecoin for life, or if your Ecoin for life 6 months period is already ended, right? So make sure that you stay tuned all the way to the end and you don't want to skip any part of this video. So if you're also wondering where I got this 1000 coins right here that I have on my account, basically some of it came from lottery tickets, but most of it came from this new social media type of platform where you get paid for simply liking, sharing posts on this platform. So make sure that you log into your account and go check out Wishu. It's a new platform that you can share things, get paid for liking and sharing. So it's a new social media by Ecoin developer. So anyways, first things first, if you're new to this channel, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any new updates that are coming next. And you can also join our Telegram group with the link down below so that you stay up to date with everything that is going on. But basically, as I said, with the first option right here, this is Wombat wallet. So I'm just going to show you this first one right here because we're not going to make use of this. We're actually going to make use of this, and I'll show you why. So with the CoolX wallet, if I open their web page, this is basically you'll be able to use it on Apple Store or Google Play Store. So these are the only two options that are available with this option. So this is the reason why we're not going to make use of this, because I know some of you, maybe you don't have a device that that is compatible with that and you want more options. So we're going to go with this one because we have in third extra options right here. So it's almost like MetaMask. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with MetaMask, but MetaMask is like another wallet that you can use on your browser, right? Like what I have right here. So this is exactly the same how you'll be able to use your Wombat wallet. That is why we're going to make use of it right here. So you can also make use of this one if you have these devices or you don't want to use your wallet on the Chrome browser, right? You can make use of this. It's very simple. It's going to be the same features, same instructions as this video. So I'm just going to close this tab because we're not going to make use of it. And then this is Wombat right here. This is the link right here. You can type it in and then come to the website, and then you can come down to the plug-in. You can get it on Play Store or Apple Store. Just click on any of these links and then they'll take you to the page where you can download. So right now I'm going to be demonstrating using it on my Chrome browser. As I said, I prefer bigger screens, so I'm just going to click on add right now. So basically to get there, you just simply click on Google Chrome plugin, and then it will ask you if you want to install the Chrome extension, obviously, and then it should download within a few seconds. I mean, it's only about 830 kilobytes, so it's very, very small. As you can see right there, the whole process should take care of itself. So you just it's going to add to the Chrome browser, and then once it's added, okay, so once you have successfully installed it, it'll open up something like this, right? So I just want to quickly pin it to this to the taskbar so that we can have it close by. So right there, I'm just gonna pin it, and then right there, so that is where it is right there. So right now I'm gonna need to sign into the account, even though I don't have an account. So I'm just gonna click sign in, and then it should give me an option to sign up because I don't actually have an account. As I use this, so I just installed it right now so that I can demonstrate how to do it step by step, right? Okay, so once you follow the promos and the options that you see on the screen to log in with your Gmail account, as I just did right now, you'll be able to see this screen right here. So if you have an existing, obviously you can import or you can create a new account. So since we have a new account, it's a new account here, we're gonna create a new account. So we securely back up your phrase or whatsoever. So I'm just gonna use on backup on Google Drive because it's already logged in. Otherwise you can select the second option if you prefer to. So this is the account that I've selected, that I've signed in with, which is a normal Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, you can obviously create it for free. Then I'm gonna click on allow, so that you can save the you can back up the phrase in my drive, so in my Google Drive account. So passphrase, to protect my account, I'm just gonna set up a password right now, and then I'm gonna continue. Here you can name it whatever you want. So that's gonna be my username. So it has to be 12 characters, A to Z, small letters, and then that's basically how you do it there. And then basically I have created my Wombat account. As you can see, is now I can actually log in from here. I should be able to log in from there. As you can see, very beautiful wallet right here, and I like the way it actually looks. So now we've created our account. We haven't linked it yet. So what I need to do now is to basically get my my ID, so my Telos ID. So okay, so once you get your account set up and you basically have it set up and you have your name, all you have to do is come to this coin right here, right? So you click on it and then you search, you scroll down a little bit to Ecoin New. So when you come to Ecoin New right here, you go to Ecoin New, and then you're gonna go, this is your ID wallet. So this is what the Telos ID wallet basically is, right? So as you can see, I already received some coin because I already linked my account, but I'm just showing you how to do it, right? So you click on here, you copy to clipboard, and then you come back to your Ecoin dashboard, and then here where you say Telos wallet ID, as you can see in the background right here, if I'm going to zoom it out, zoom in for you guys, I basically paste it in that box right there, and then I click on the Link Telos wallet, that button that is here for you right now before you link it, right? And then once you basically have it linked successfully, by just clicking there, you basically have your wallet linked successfully. So enjoy free tickets and win up to 10,000 ecoins after so all rewards go direct to your current balance and can be withdrawn later. So as you can see right there, I can now spend my tickets, and I've basically linked my account successfully. So this is basically how you link your Telos account. As I said, it's the same process for whether you're doing it on your Android phone, on your Apple device, or you're following along with the Chrome extension on using Wombat wallet. So this is how you do it, and if you got any questions, you can hit me up in the Telegram channel, or you can hit me up, you can leave a comment down below. So that's basically how you do it. So I'm just gonna click on OK. So basically I have received my gift. So if I can just refresh here, let's see that this message should actually disappear by now. So I can come back here and update my Telos wallet. So just to demonstrate exactly what I did live right now, I'm just gonna go back to my wallet. So I come here. This is exactly how you do it, right? You come here, once you have set up, you followed how to set up your account, you come down to Ecoin New, and then you say you copy this one, this is your unique Wombat wallet ID. So this is your Telos ID. You come back here, you paste it in this box right there, and then you click on the button. For you, it's not going to be update. So this is update because I want to change it, right? So because I've already linked my account. So, and as you can see, I can actually have 1 ecoins in my Telos wallet. So I'm just going to do update, so that this, for you, this button will be Link Telos ID, right? So you click on it, and then you'll be able to have that successful message that I just showed you earlier. So I cannot, obviously, because it's the same ID. So enter a new ID to update. So there we go. So it's basically linked. That's how you link the ID. If you still have any problems, just hit me up in the comment section, or you can join the Telegram group. So now, as I promised that I'm going to try to withdraw to see if I can actually withdraw this amount that I have currently here. So what I'm going to do before I go there, I'm just going to go to spend my tickets. So I'm going to go to lottery tickets right there. I'm going to go to more details, and then I'm going to be able to spend the current amount of lottery tickets that I have. So right now it's 85 amount, so I'm just going to spend 25 just to make it easier. So when I scratch here, I'm going to be able to get at least 25 lottery tickets, but as you can see, 63 ecoins that I've got. So I have to, for 25 lottery tickets, that means you have 25 ecoins that you have, right, guaranteed. So you have to get at least minimum of 25 that we have. So right now that 85 is now down to 60, so I have at least 60 ecoins that I should be able to get guaranteed. But basically, because it's a sort of a lottery thing, you can reset and then see how much of amount you're gonna get. So I'm just gonna spend another 25 and see how much I'll be able to get. So I go to 62. I'm gonna scratch it again. I think I still have enough. Okay, I have 35. Let's scratch it one more time, and then I will have I don't know how much I'm gonna make here, 76. And then let's see how much I have. I've got 10, so I'm just gonna scratch the 10 so that I can be fast with this. But I've basically shown you this in the other video where I show you how to earn the most out of this coin, out of how to earn them, how to increase your earning chances on Ecoin. So basically that's one of the ways to earn the most out of it. So as you can see right here, I've now have 1,237 Ecoins here on my current balance, right? So remember, for you to be able to withdraw, you need a minimum of 1,000 Ecoins. So I'm gonna withdraw funds and then see if I can actually withdraw the amount. So if you click this account and then you get some sort of a survey that is going on that you need to complete, just follow along with this whole process and be able to complete that, because it's not tough. It's very easy. You just have to follow the steps and then do the questionnaire that you get at the end of that, and then basically you'll be able to get this screen now. So this screen is saying I need to download Brave browser. So let's just go back to our airdrops right here. So I don't know why I'm getting those errors, but let me just quickly see if I can sort it out for you guys. Otherwise, as I said, this was not part of the video. I'm just doing it as an extra thing. Because right now I know I'm still not able to withdraw because I'm an ecoiner for life. So I'm just gonna come here and look for Brave. So let's see if we can find Brave airdrop right there. So I need to download the browser. So I've successfully already done it. So I think right now I just need to download the browser. So I have to download the Brave browser and then install it, right? So when I install it, and then I should be able to continue with this thing. So I'm just gonna go to download. So it's basically their referral link, obviously, so that they can earn some bit of money. I mean, the project, they're basically giving it away for free, so it makes sense that they have to earn some money somehow. So I'm gonna click on download and then install it, and then see if we can be able to withdraw our account. So let's just go back and see if this thing, okay, it's just 1.2 megabytes, so it's gonna finish very quickly. Let's just go back again and try to withdraw whilst that thing is busy installing, and see what if it will still give us the same error. So I'm just gonna go withdraw funds. Okay, let's open it, and then so that you can install. So right now it's busy installing. At the moment it's going to download for about 12 minutes. So I think I'm going to have to pause this video and then come back later. But basically if you want to withdraw funds, you come back here and then withdraw funds. And then if you're still getting the problem, just make sure that you install the Brave browser first, and make sure that it's basically, so you need to claim Brave browser airdrop first in order to withdraw funds. I don't know why they have that over there, but basically just follow those things and then be able to withdraw your token. So I'm gonna come back and give the updates a little bit later on. Okay, so by now you should have your account set up. You should have your Telos account already set up, like what I showed you throughout this video. So now remember, we're still trying to link up the Brave browser so that we are able to withdraw from Ecoin Airdrop, because it seems like you have to go through this airdrop for you to be able to withdraw. So we just downloaded it, as you saw, we downloaded it and then it successfully installed it. So now I just logged in. What they're saying there is that you have to log in this account of your Ecoin onto that web browser so that they can confirm that you have successfully installed it. So that's what I just did right now. As you can see, now I'm on Brave browser. This is the Brave browser and I've successfully logged in. So as soon as I logged in, this is what came up, as you can see right there. So they're asking me, have I downloaded this browser before? So you can say yes if you have, but I'm gonna say no, even though I have, because I know they want me to be part of this airdrop. So I'm just gonna go with no, even though I have, so that we can see what's gonna happen afterwards. Because if I say yes, they might say that I don't qualify for this. And then remember, this is the requirement for me to be able to withdraw. So I'm just gonna go with no for now, and then so I'm just gonna close this because I already downloaded that. And then I'm gonna go back to the airdrops page and then see if I can now claim my what do you call this, claim my airdrop. So let's just scroll down a little bit to that airdrop, Hotbit, no, Brave browser right here. So I'm gonna claim my 50 coins. Let's see if it's gonna successfully claim it. Okay, there we go. So I've successfully claimed my coins, so this airdrop is now done. I've completed it, so I'm gonna go and say okay now. So the next claim seems like this is actually an ongoing airdrop that you can claim after a few days. So this is now on the 29th. Today is the 19th, so I think every 10 days you can actually claim more coins, which is actually good, right? So anyways, let's now go back to try to withdraw our coin. So what I'm gonna do, you can continue on this web browser or you can go back to the other one. I'm just gonna go back to Chrome quickly and then refresh this to make sure that it's successfully claimed. So let's just quickly refresh this browser. This is now back on Chrome. Remember, we started with Chrome where we set up our withdrawal wallet, which is the Wombat wallet, so where we're gonna be sending our coins to. So I already have it here on Chrome. I'm not gonna set it up again there on Brave browser. I don't think it's even possible. So as you can see, it's now set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to withdraw. I'm just gonna try to withdraw from here and then see if we can now proceed. But remember, as I said, there's no guaranteed for me to be able to withdraw because I'm an ecoiner for life, which means I can only withdraw after the 19th of October this year. So right now I'm just trying to withdraw this 1,287 current balance. So but also trying to show you how you can do it if you're not an ecoiner for life. So let's just try it out. Okay, it seems like we have a blockage here. So withdrawals are currently stopped for 1 week as we are rolling out a few majors. So there's always something wrong with this platform when it comes to withdrawing, but hopefully after 1 week I can give you an update. But basically this video was all about how to link your Telos wallet so that you're able to withdraw. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a wrap up now, so if you miss any part, just hit me up in the comments section, or you can just rewatch those moments, those sections that you did not understand, and then you can ask me questions on either the Telegram group. As I said, the link is down below. You can hit me up there, or you can use the comment section down below to leave a comment down there. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn notifications, because you're definitely gonna love the next videos that I'm gonna be bringing out. I usually try to release at least 3 videos a week, so make sure that you turn on notifications and you join our Telegram group for instant updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Thanks for watching.